masih loading wait.
Okay, siap.
Okay.
Okay. Should we do this in English or in Indonesia?
Indonesia aja boleh.
In English.
Oke, siap.
Oh,
Jadi selamat siang, Om Rafiq, Kak Ros. Kita
but Serging asks for in English.
Oke.
Okay, no problem.
Iya, Serging minta gitu.
All right. So, good afternoon, everyone. Then we'll start the Scrum for this afternoon at 12 o'clock, past 6. Then we'll go to our first updates for the partner refined contract. Carlos, you may have the floor.
Okay, so from me, no updates for yesterday because still waiting for partner response. Yeah, tinggal sign contract. About Maharaja, how about Maharaja, Om Rafiq?
Maharaja, he said we will sign it today, but I will check again with him. He said we will
Oh,
sign it today.
okay, thank you. Yeah, there's from me, Fadil. There's no update, but today I will contact again Gria Anggrek. And also, I also check to keep like only Maharaja yang have bookings for this month gitu.
Yep.
Nanti aku cek tukit lagi.
Okay.
Thank you, Fadil.
Okay, thank you, Kak Ros. I think that's all for partner defined contract then community engagement meeting program. Om Rafiq, would you mind to explain first? Then I'll explain my part.
Okay, thank you, Badil, for your time. So we have a engagement board here. So the contract and celebration is no update yet. And then the topic is updated from 26 become 33. So 7 more. And then revenue contract by birthday is no update. And then the appointment for monthly from 26 to 33. And then no update for the discuss and feedback for all. And then the actionable discovery is raised up from 2 become a 4. I think that's all from the community engagement. Back to you, Padil.
Okay, for the Facebook, uh, yesterday Mas Tendi asked me uh, about the 5 content in the community group that had the highest ratings. And yeah, the highest ratings, the engagement rating, like where they had a lot of likes and a lot of comments and seen, is the one that actually when I scrolled through the previous month, the top 5 of all the posts in the community Facebook group is the one that actually engages with the participants. Like for example, we tag their names. We tag their names because maybe it was birthday party or maybe it was anything else. But most important thing, the detailed one, is that we tag their names, because if we tag their names, then they will automatically comment on that particular Facebook uh, post, and then we will reply. The people from the community chapter will reply from the staff. So I think that maybe to increases our engagement uh, ratings in the funnel, maybe the next so tomorrow I will post about something inspirational about this pandemic, because this is already December. Yeah, we're going to end this year, and I think that this is something about, survival and quotes. And maybe uh, the community chapter, I recommend the people that get engaged in the Facebook group to comment on the post. So maybe we could actually attract the people from our partners to also comments, because maybe they want to comment, but they are afraid to be to become the one who comments first. So maybe if we comments first, then maybe they'll comments below that. Okay, that's the first one. So and the second one, from the post that I updated from that I uploaded, I'm sorry, that I uploaded yesterday, uh it looks like the if we post something from my previous two posts, I think the afternoon one, the one that I posted it on the afternoon, had a much higher engagement rating in comparison to the morning. Because at that night, I've seen that the amounts of the seen by the community members is around 25 20s. But the morning one, when I see that until the night, it's still 11 till between 10 and 20. So I think that my conclusion is that if we posted it on afternoon, 12 o'clock beyond, then I think that we could have a much more engagement rating. That's all from me. Thank you. Back to you, Om Rafiq.
Yes, I think it's good. So already have the conclusion for that. So already write down over there. So maybe Jing and Tandy will read it and then we will comment it. I think that's all. All good from my side. Back to you, Chair. Hello. Halo Padil.
Fadil.
Padil, kamu ke
Okay,
mute.
yeah, yeah. Just a little bit connection issue. So next, we'll go through the community page, trusted community, in which the we're going to have the we're going to have the evaluation right this afternoon, if I'm not mistaken. Right, correct, Karos?
Sorry,
We're going to have another meetings,
gimana?
if I'm not mistaken, this afternoon, right?
Yeah, I think the update is we already doing evaluation for November and October last months, and already make new paper about connected professional and partner, and already make a paper question list. It start from today. So we are a community engagement team. We will uh, ask partner about their problem, or see in or coordinate with HAR or marketing about property problems, so we can, so after that put it in the bank question, yeah, guys.
Okay, okay.
Yep.
Oh yeah. So from me, from the page trusted community, from my part is that actually I have a little bit. I don't know currently about the Geo Wilson interiors. So should I send to Mas Tendi right away, or should I make another blog and then maybe two or three different blocks. Then I send the Gil Wilson to Mas Teddy because what we've agreed yesterday is that we should create another topic for blog, because if we put two design interiors companies side by side in our blog, I think that it would be aggravating the situation. But if uh, Mak Ros is if you ask me to send it right away to Mas Dedi to be uploaded as fast as possible, then I will send it to him, share it with him, Karos.
So your question about make like new page to upload the blog,
Yes.
gitu kah?
So I've made the Gil Wilson one. It's done. But however, from what we've discussed yesterday is that if we send if we uploaded Jill Wilson, then it would be next right to Mahalati. And the problem is, Mahalati is also a design interiors, and we've discussed it yesterday that it's better to put one company, one one design interiors company and the other far-flunched, so that we would not create some kind of competition in our blog between these two design interiors. So I think that uh, it was agreed yesterday that we should not aggravate the situation, but that leaves the question of up the upload of the blog itself quite unresolved. So my question is, should I send it? Should I send the uh, Gil Wilson blog to Mas Tendi as soon as possible to be uploaded
Mm.
in the blog, Bukit Vista blog, or should I pen wait until a few after I've made a few other blogs which have different topics, which is not a design interiors company, and I send the Gil Wilson one to Mas Tendi.
I think menurut aku you apa ya? You still upload in Bukit Vista page because the blog also like promote our website Bukit Vista website. So uh, the goals of community trusted itu juga untuk develop community page in bukitvista.com. And about the access for page Bukit Vista, you can ask for Kak Tendi or me, or atau gini aja, you send your blog to me, maybe in Dropbox paper, and I will upload and like edit into it in bukitvista.com community page. How about it, Fadil?
Oh yes, actually, it is a very good proposition Kak Ros. But uh, pertanyaanku itu jadi kayak apakah kita apa namanya? Maksudnya kan kita udah buat yang Gil Wilson. Nah, kalau misalnya kita upload yang Gil Wilson kan berarti bertentangan sama apa kita sudah sepakati kemarin Kak Ros yang jangan apa namanya dibarengin gitu loh, kayak misalnya desain interior terus desain interior lagi. Nah, maksudnya itu
Oh,
apakah yang Gil Wilson ini itu apakah kita upload setelah yang Mahalati ataukah yang Gil Wilson ini itu diupload setelah beberapa blog perusahaan yang selain desain interior. Karena kalau misalnya yang pilihan kedua berarti aku harus buat blog tentang yang perusahaan lain mungkin kayak Canggu Co, pokoknya yang bukan perusahaan desain interior gitu. Jadi kalau misalnya kayak gitu, yang ini tak simpen dulu yang Gil Wilson, terus aku buat yang Canggu Co dan yang lain-lain. Jadi istilah kayak mungkin ada 2 sampai 3 perusahaan, baru aku upload yang Gil Wilson gitu. Soalnya kan sama-sama desain interior situ. Kalau Kak Ros gimana?
Cangguenko udah selesai kok, udah diupload Cangguenko. Terus aku kemarin kan keputus-putus dengernya yang itu evaluasi kemarin. Jadi aku nggak dengar bagian ini kalau kesepakatannya kayak ada waktu untuk ngupload kalau dia sama-sama perusahaan. Nah, aku baru tahu sih. Ya kalau memang itu kesepakatannya, kalau memang gitu, ya udah.
Mungkin
Um,
Ras sama Fadil. Halo.
ya
Ya,
Om.
It's better you have a sub discussion between Grace, you and Tandy, Fadil. Jadi bikin sub discussion aja tentang ini biar nggak terlalu lama, nih cuma satu apa namanya, satu Trello ini. So you can make this sub discussion, just invite Grace, Tandy, and Ross and Fadil regarding to create the blog for Bukit Vista. What do you think?
Okay. I think that would be a good proposition, Om Rafiq.
Yeah.
I'll do it right
So
away.
yeah, just invite them on Google Calendar and then just remind them you have a meeting, and then to make it clear what you do. So you don't make it so like Ross said, they already make Canggu and Co, but you make already just to dan nggak bingung gitu loh.
Oke.
Ya,
Oke, Om.
ya, ya.
Oke. So I think that's from me, yeah, about the blog. So then we'll maintain partner trust from David. Then we'll see the updates. Uh, so the B1 overpayment is been finished, and the underpayment. Uh, I think it's still, but the notice to partner and the settlement is still hasn't yet any progress. Is there any comments to this section?
All good.
Okay. I think that's all because there's no David here. Then maybe we could proceed to reducing the booking conflicts program. Karos, you may have the floor.
Yeah, I already contact Flamboyant to confirm about so like Bodas and Flamboyant itu kan satu owner, and Bodas
Ya,
I see in community program list kan Om itu udah punya bigger. Apakah berarti Flamboyant juga sudah punya bigger untuk Flamboyant gitu?
it depend. Maybe you can put it one more. Mungkin coba aku sama Tendi deh. Kayaknya bisa add satu properti lagi di account biggernya dia. Jadi nggak perlu. So you don't need to train them anymore. We just need to add one property on their account.
Yeah. Okay, I already contact owner, but not haven't yet respond me like.
Okay, no problem. I will check their bigger account.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
Om.
Back to you, Adil.
Okay. So next would be the. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Okay. Next would be the partnership opportunities by Om Rafiq. You may have the floor, Mas. I mean.
Yeah, I think this is update from Andy regarding the panel process. The first one is temporary lease is raised up from 23 become 27, and then non-potential and potential, and also on-site visit is not yet. But on Thursday and Friday, I have a visit for property with Andy, which is Flamboyant, Villa Dion, and two more. I don't remember. Maybe you can check on the community engagement board. And also the booking, we get the booking also Flamboyant. Also, we get two booking from four becomes six booking, and then the community engagement from four until six, and the partner sign contract. I think this is raised up become one because if I believe Ross Bahagia already signed contract, right?
Yeah, Om. Bahagia already signed
Okay,
contract.
maybe I will update later. So one partner already signed contract yesterday. Thank you. I think that's all from my side, Fadil.
Okay.
Bahagia itu new partner ya, Om?
Oh yeah,
Apa
yeah, yeah.
temporary partner?
Sorry. Yeah. Bukan. It's different.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
All right. So with the partnership content, that's all from the partnership opportunities. Then we'll proceed to the. I think that's all. Yeah. To the discussion management initiative.
Yeah. So the next chairman will be Tandy,
Okay.
and then
Secretary.
Ross will be secretariat.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next, the discussion management.
Okay. Okay, Mas Randy. He said that SLA properties inspection and meeting partner per day. How many part? I think. Yeah. How many partner we need to meet and inspect per day? What we need to check for inspection? What we can deliver to partner to make them inspire? maybe Om Rafiq wants to say something about this thread. You may have the floor, Mas.
Is better is you first or Ross first because I will write down. So I'll be the last because I was the
All right. I'm
secretary.
sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, Karos. Sorry. You may have the floor.
Okay. So inspection is for cleaning ya, Om.
Yes,
Cleaning
yes,
of
yes, yes.
cell of properties inspection and waiting partner today. When partner we need to meet. Mm, I think it's maybe minimal 50% of all our partners. 50%.
I think this is the question for Danny is per day, Ross. It's not
Oh, per
for
day. Oh,
yeah,
per hari.
yeah.
Oh iya ya. Sorry, sorry. Um, how about per day? So maybe
How
3
many?
for
Three.
misalnya untuk di Bali 3 properties for Om Rafiq, 2 for Kak Tendi. And about Jogja juga ini ya Om.
Ya,
Inspeksi untuk Jogja juga ya?
ya. Jadi kita bikin kayak conclusion gitu, berapa properti yang harus kita we need to visit at least every day, maybe minimum is 5 for all region. Jadi misalnya 5
5.
5 ya 5 properti di semua region. Misalnya gini. So for example, is 2 at Uluwatu, 2 at Jogja, and 1 at Canggu. I think is already done, right? Per day, I mean. You
Okay.
understand?
Ber-
Misalnya gini, 3
Mm-mm.
di Uluwatu, 2 di Padang-Padang, 2 di Uluwatu. Di Canggu kan udah lewat. Berarti berapa sih kita harus set minimalnya itu 5 atau berapa per hari? Menurut Ross.
Kalau menurut aku 5 per hari Om. 5
5.
properties per day.
Ya.
Minimal. And what we need to check for inspection is about cleaning or protokol kesehatan like their sanitizer or untuk cuci tangan maybe terus pengukuran suhu yeah like that cleanliness standard and maybe for bigger ya cuman sekedar aja sih masih tahu cara menggunakan bigger kan Pak Bu gitu cuman kayak to confirmation about bigger user like that and maybe yang 2 itu kalau dari aku terus what we can deliver to partner to make them inspire maybe we can share about community trusted so like the partner our property yang kita visit yang kita inspeksi do you know kayak your problem we have like partnership with several companies or profesional yang ahli dalam misalnya pest control, ahli dalam arsitektur. If you want to build property again, you can have sesi consultation session for free through video call with them like that. Apalagi? Yeah, maybe inspire them because like Fadil said before, this is the last month in the year. Like how we can thrive. Kemarin-kemarin kita udah survive dan sekarang waktunya kita bangkit. Maybe share tentang itu. Ya, I think masih itu dulu dari aku. Nanti kalau ada lagi aku tambahin langsung.
Oke, dari Fadil.
For me, I agree with Kak Ros ya. I agree. And also maybe we could add like the specific the survival mode, like we've survived 2020, and we inform them that yeah, there's good news, the vaccine have arrived in Indonesia. We're actually going be better, the vaccination is going to be conducted, and then we give them information, real information, that oh yeah, then the process is currently going on, maybe uh yeah, I think that's all. Share good news about the situation in Indonesia, because maybe that's the thing that they want to hear, besides all the hubris about the politics and this is the corruption and etc etc. I think that's all from me.
Okay, thank you. For my side, I think I'm agree with all the comment here. Like minimum is 5 properties. This is SLA. I mean, this I will check SLA inspection. So, but I think this is between cross chapter. So I believe is one thing is the most important as well regarding the pricing updated. For example, like we don't know it. So many villas, so many guest house we have at Bukit Vista, but their price don't change it yet. Jadi harganya dia tuh belum diganti sama BI. Jadi kita cek dulu, kita tanyain dulu ownernya, Bapak gimana harganya? Soalnya yang lain harganya udah turun, Bapak gimana gitu. Kayak pricing strategi kalau menurut aku sih. Jadi inspection terus deliver partner tuh menurutku sih pricing strategi salah satunya. Ya,
Ya Om, setuju Om.
jadi biar gini. So I believe we also want to inspire to all the partner, but we don't see this partner is good, this partner is bad. All the partner is the same. Jadi kita mau buat partner itu semua tuh sama. Jadi kenapa sih partner itu dapat bookingan terus? Kenapa aku tidak seperti itu loh? Mungkin ada salahnya di pricing. Mungkin di pricingnya dia di Airbnb ternyata belum diganti gitu loh, maksudku, ngerti nggak?
Iya
Iya,
Om.
jadi kita harus lihat juga gitu loh. Makanya kemarin, yesterday, last week, I speak with a lot of property partner at Canggu. Their price is still high. Jadi pricingnya dia tuh masih masih tinggi gitu loh. Jadi orang-orang di A itu nggak nyentuh guest house-nya dia karena kita lebih apa namanya lebih memandangnya ke villa gitu loh. Padahal ternyata setelah diganti harganya menjadi 200.000 itu ada bookingan banyak banget. Jadi kan ada pemasukan juga buat partner gitu. Itu sih mas.
Oke Om, so we will coordinate with BI ya Om.
Ya jadi gini. So the flow will be like this. For example, I'm going to because this is the inspection kan. Jadi kan inspeksi nih. Jadi kita ngomong sama owner tentang cleanliness standar, tentang bigger segala macam. Terus kita tanya, menurut Bapak harganya ini gimana Pak? Gitu loh. Karena di sebelah-sebelahnya ini harganya turun. Gimana mau turunin nggak? Gitu biar dapat bookingan atau gimana gitu loh. Habis setelah dia apa namanya kita discuss harga dan ternyata ownernya itu mau nurunin harga, nanti dari community report ke BI. Mungkin aku kasih kasih satu gini ya, satu apa namanya engagement. Aku kasih contoh. Ini engagement board yang aku mungkin Siro sudah tahu, apa Padil juga udah tahu ya.
Iya.
Jadi ini
Udah
kayak
lihat.
jadi dirimu udah lihat. Jadi kayak gini. Jadi aku kayak gini. Jadi aku ngecek hubung pandai segala macam dan dia tuh ternyata mau nurunin harga gitu loh, seperti ini. Terus habis itu si Lilis aku tag dan udah oke. Dan ada juga beberapa ini juga Pondok Luli juga udah oke segala macam. Jadi udah aman gitu loh. Jadi kita di sini membantu partner juga. Mungkin kita kan enggak, we are human, is not a god, so we have a lot of mistake. Maybe one or two property is miss gitu. Jadi mungkin ada miss satu properti yang tidak kita atur strategi pricingnya gitu. Itu aja sih dari aku ya. Thank you. Back to you, Chair.
Fadil, I have like yang itu loh.
Ya.
Movie story, partner story movie, I already revise. Di bawah yang ada gambarnya Pak Yudi kartunnya. If I already take you guys, and jika itu udah bagus, aku
sih,
akan
udah bagus,
upload di mana?
Kalau aku udah bagus.
Fadil.
Om Rafiq. And I don't know kemana harus didistribusikan gitu.
Which one?
Apakah ke website? Yep.
Yang ini. Partner story-nya.
Iya, yang partner story-nya. Seingatku kemarin Serjing itu di-share ke gak cuman ke partner kita, tapi kayak jadi promosi untuk potensial partner. I don't know, masih kurang ngerti. Dan aku mungkin entah benar atau enggak, itu diupload ke websitenya kita, jadi kayak ada kumpulan partner story, dan termasuk di situ galerinya partner. Cuman belum memastikan lagi ke Serjing.
Ya kalau aku sih lebih gini ke website, terus kalau bisa di apa namanya? Jadi kita mungkin ini masukan dari, this is advice to Fadil as well ya. Mungkin gini Fadil, nanti kita masukin ini setelah masuk di web, nanti kita apa namanya, copy link webnya kita yang ada story ini, kita masukin di Facebook, terus kita tag orang-orangnya yang di Facebook, terus kita bilang gini, mau nggak dibikinin gini gitu loh. Ngerti nggak maksud gue?
Wah, bener banget, setuju.
Mau nggak dibikinin gini? Kalau mau komen gitu. Nanti kalau dia mau, kita wawancara sama dia. Kita wawancara lewat Sitok. Benar nggak?
Brilian. Wah, setuju.
Gitu.
Wah, brilian banget. Om Rafiq,
gitu.
wah ini baru kill two birds with one stone ini.
Iya, jadi
dalam satu kali itu kayak banyak progres yang bisa kita lakukan. Setuju. Bisa.
Kita masukin ini di Facebook. Terus kita bilang gini, ayo siapa yang mau dibikinin seperti ini, gitu loh. Kayak nantang gitu. Kita tag. Nanti aku yang nge-tag orang-orang. Habis itu kalau ada yang komen, kita ajak wawancara di Sitok. Habis itu kita bikinin gini. Jadi itu dia merasa bangga dibikinin gini, diupload di Facebook gitu loh.
Iya. Ya ampun, bener banget. Wah, ini terobosan. Aku nggak kepikiran nih dari kemarin. Iya. Setuju. Makasih Om, makasih banget. Berarti mungkin yang video ini sesegera mungkin buat yang besok siang deh. Besok siang aku upload videonya di Facebook. Terus nanti di tag lagi Om Rafiq ke tag, terus mungkin nanti semoga mereka komen, terus nanti bisa di sitok nanti bahasnya mereka. Setuju. Wah, bagus. Makasih Om, makasih banget. Terima kasih sekali. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Terus Om, perlu nggak kita bikin kayak kesepakatan 1 bulan berapa video partner story?
Gini aja sih, kalau menurut aku sih. Kalau kita lihat dulu dari engagement dari Facebook maupun di webnya. Kalau memang banyak yang gini atau belum ada, kita cari the worst thing-nya. The worst thing-nya is nobody comment, is nobody want to make this, for example. Jadi kita prediksi yang jeleknya dulu kan. Misalnya nggak ada yang mau bikin, jadi kita yang nentuin. Nanti mungkin aku sama Tendi, sama Ros, sama Fadil, kita nentuin siapa yang next-nya kita bikin ini, gitu loh. Kalau memang nggak ada yang mau interest, kalau yang ada yang interest kan lebih bagus lagi gitu. Jadi kita jangan ngomongin itu dulu. kita lihat goal
Iya, ya.
kita goalnya ini dulu. Kalau memang goalnya ini bagus banget, kita baru giniin SLE-nya. Oke?
Oke, Om, siap.
Oke.
Makasih Om Rafiq and Fadil.
Ya, sama-sama. Ya,
Sama-sama,
back to
Kak.
you, Chair. Halo.
Berarti ini ya, sudah semua discussion manajemen inisiatif. Apa ada yang mau ditambahin lagi mungkin dari Om Rafiq, dari Kak Ros?
Sudah sih, promosi.
Dari aku sudah.
Oke. Jadi mungkin terima kasih Om Rafiq sama
Ya.
Kak Ros sudah menyempatkan waktu untuk siang ini untuk menghadiri Scrum. Terima kasih sudah menjadikan saya sebagai chair untuk kedua kalinya. Saya sangat berterima kasih. Mohon maaf apabila ada tutur kata yang salah. Sekian dari saya.
No
Selamat
problem.
siang.
Oke, selamat siang.
Ya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a nice walk today.
Ya, bye-bye.